In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to disconnect PlayStation 4 controller from Bluetooth iPad. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the two main ways in which you will be able to successfully unpair a DualShock 4 controller from your iPad. If you want to connect your DualShock controller to another device and it is automatically connecting it to your iPad, or you simply don't want to use it anymore, all that you have to do is first forget the device. So go over to your iPad settings, access the Bluetooth category, and assuming that you have previously paired the DualShock 4 controller, you will be able to find it under the list of connected devices. Instead of appearing on the available devices for you to connect into for the first time, you will be able to find it listed. So all that you have to do in there is tap on the information icon next to the controller's name, and you will find the option to forget this device or unpair. Once this is done and you power on the controller in the future, it isn't going to automatically connect itself to the iPad. So if you want to use it within your iPad, you just have to repeat the same steps that you used with the first time that you ever paired that controller. As soon as it is unpaired, it will have to be connected manually again. Alternatively, you can just turn off Bluetooth altogether. So instead of forgetting the device specifically, you can just disable Bluetooth for the time being. So if you power on the controller, it won't connect to the iPad automatically. So whenever you want to use it on your console, you can just turn off Bluetooth on your iPad to ensure that it won't connect itself to the iPad instead of the PlayStation 4. And as long as you either forget the device or turn off Bluetooth, you will be able to get this process done and properly disconnect your PlayStation 4 controller from your iPad using Bluetooth. If you want to pair it again in the future, if you forgot the device, you just have to press a combination of buttons and find it under the list of available devices. I hope I was able to help you on how to disconnect PlayStation 4 controller from Bluetooth iPad. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.